Subscribe for learning.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Amalullah. I'm from IELD for you. Today I have brought a new tutorial that's all about education. What is education? Education means to get information. Education means to learn to be. Getting information. Which type of information? We get a lot of information from books. We get a lot of information when we read newspapers. We get a lot of information about societies. We get a lot of information about cities. We get information about our country. I'm going to analyze the second definition of education: to learn, to do, to be. We learn in schools, we learn in colleges, we learn in universities. To do. When we are studying, we get a lot of assignments, we get many topics, we get other extra things. It's our responsibility. As being a student, it's our responsibility to complete that. To be. After completing our education, I wish to be a doctor, so I have to work hard to achieve my dream. Someone wants to be an engineer, a doctor, or businessman. It's their responsibility to complete their dreams. While we're learning, we may face these three steps. If we follow these three steps, we can achieve our goals. We can fulfill our dreams. As being an educated person, these three steps are very necessary. First, we're learning. The second, we're doing our assignments. In the third step, we are going to achieve our goals. Due to education, can be aware about the positive and the negative. Which thing is positive, which thing is negative. Also, education tells us about the legal and illegal. Legal way and illegal way. Due to education, we can write our future. We get a lot of happiness because of education. Education is the third eye of the human being. It's not appear in our face physically, but internally it's present. Education can tell us the good things. Education can tell us the good manners and also good attitudes. Let's move towards the points. I have written some points here. Skills, respect, weapon, life. The first is skill. What are the skills? We get a lot of skills through education. As being a doctor training their patients. As being a teacher spreading knowledge among the people. I want to give some examples, like Dr. Abdul Qadir Khan. You have heard the name of Dr. Abdul Qadir Khan. He is an inventor of atomic bomb in Pakistan. The second one is founder of Pakistan, Qaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah. He got higher education. He conquered a peaceful country for his nation. As being a scientist, as being a software engineer, you will get these all skills through education. If you want to be a skillful person, you should get higher education. Let's move towards the second point, that is respect. What is respect? Respect means to obey. We be aware about respect through education. Education tells us how do we communicate with people, how do we obey our elders, how do we talk with our parents, and also how do we serve our guests. There are mostly two types of respect: educational respect and wealth respect. Educational respect. An educated person has good ethic. Because of ethic, people respect him. Like a teacher, his students respect him, their parents respect him. In a society, a teacher gets a lot of respect. The second respect is wealth respect, which people respect you because of your wealth. If you have wealth, people respect you. When you finish your wealth, people will not respect you because people respect your wealth, not you. But the actual respect comes through hearts, which an educated person gets. I'm going to tell you the third point, that is weapon. What is weapon? Weapon is an instrument. As all soldiers use weapon to defending our country. Education is like a weapon by which we can conquer many battles. If we use education as a weapon, we may bring peace in our country. We may solve many problems. As many founders use education as a weapon that may conquer many countries. The fourth and the last point of my topic, which is light. Light means brightness. In our life, every step we need brightness. Education leads a person from darkness to lightness. Through education, we can remove our darkness. Through education, we get skills, we get respect, we get ethics, which we combine in a one place. These become a light, which remove our darkness. We use this light every moment of our life to change darkness into brightness. If you are uneducated, you are rounding in a darkness as a blind person. If you want to brighten your future, you should get education to light your life. That's why everyone says like that education is the third eye of the human being. I have shared some points related to education. I hope you have got my topic. If you have any question related to my topic, you can comment to me. Otherwise, if you are new in my YouTube channel, please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more updates. And don't forget to share my YouTube channel with your friends. And if you really like my YouTube, so please press the like button.